Kia ora! Welcome to 21B Moana Road in sunny Paraparaumu. I'm George Love.
And I'm Talita Lois, and we're both from Harcourts in Paraparaumu. And we're super excited to show you this modern, easy living home.
The covered deck leads to a generous lounge with a modern chef's kitchen with excellent storage.
The 3 bedrooms with spacious built-in wardrobes and updated laundry and bathroom completes this home.
So if you like a chef's kitchen like we do, then get your penny on and get down here to the open home on Sunday or give us a call for a private viewing.